Hey everybody, and welcome to another video from the Parrot Bros. Today we're going to be showing you how to fit a number plate blank, which is specifically made for an OEM fitment. You have to do a few minor alterations, and I'll show you how to fit it and also give you all the details you need to purchase your very own. So before we get started, let's jump into the intro and then I'll show you a before and after. Okay guys, so the actual number plate blank itself is an OEM part. It's made specifically for the market, I believe the USA and some countries where a front number plate isn't actually required. Now, when you receive this, I obviously purchased this second hand. It was already painted, luckily for me, in Nagaro blue, which how's your luck, you know what I mean? Obviously Nagaro blue is reasonably rare anyway. To find one of these in the right colour, yeah, happy days. So basically what there is, I'll show you a picture of a brand new one so you get the idea, but you can see here, here, and obviously all the way around there is little tabs which have been cut off. You can just see there, because I believe on the bumpers that actually in the countries they have these, they have little inserts. You can actually just click this on and then it stays fitted, and should you need to fit a plate, I've seen it where people have had 4 screws in these plate blanks in places like America and things like that. So what you'll need to do is just get a knife or a multi-tool or something and just trim these flush, because on the UK spec bumpers there's nowhere for them brackets to go and it'll hold the number plate too far off. So that's what you'll need first. Then you'll need some, I'm going to use Velcro. You can use sticky pads, but obviously sticky pads, it's a one-time fit and then it's staying on. I like to be able to just pull this number plate blank on and off as and when I go to shows, or if I'm going to take some photos or whatnot. It just looks a bit fresher. You can also buy, which I have seen, they do new number plates which are like vinyl and they just push on and you can just peel them back off again. So that's another option. Obviously they come primed, so you will need to get it painted the colour you need. So once you've got it painted and you're ready to go, this is 50mm Velcro. Now I've got Velcro on my plates because I like to be able to take them on and off, especially if I decide to put press plates on or private plates or whatever. Just force a habit from years ago. So what I've got is 2 types of Velcro. Obviously you've got your hook and loop. I've got the hard side on the car already. So all you'll need is the Velcro and some kitchen scissors. Don't tell the missus you're taking them. I always get blamed for them going missing. And obviously I don't want any excuse to get blamed again because I've got to sit out here now, so no one tell her please. But all I'm going to do is just get this, make sure it's nice and clean. I've already cleaned it. And I'm just going to stick a bit on there, and then a couple of little bits at the sides here and here as well. And then that will literally just push on. I will test fit it because obviously I've not put it all the way around on the car itself. But this is just a nice little touch. I see it on a couple of cars a while back and thought, do you know what, I need that. And then luckily Anton of Vagrous Cycle had one up for sale because he actually had a TT in Nagaro blue. I don't know whether he got this one painted or it came with it, but he decided to break it, which is bad for him and great for me because I got some bits off it, which I'm extremely happy about, because you don't often get bits for Nagaro blue TTs because they aren't very common. So happy days. Right, I'll just get you mounted. So that's the Velcro. Now obviously that is based on around the fact, I'll show you like that. There you go. So I put some Velcro on there and that should just mount straight up to the car. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm not 100%, but we'll have a go in a second. I'll just swap you around camera wise and then we'll have a go. Okay, so let's go for fitting. Obviously just peel that one off. Trying to put it on the floor. Now this has a chamfered edge, which obviously follows the contours of the bumper. So the angled bevel edge goes at the bottom and that should just offer it into the hole. It fits quite snug. Ta-da! And there you go. One plate delete and that looks absolutely epic. It's a shame that my bumper's pebble dashed in stone chips and scratches and all. It's horrible. It needs a paint, but I tell you what, whoa, that looks phenomenal. Jump into the comments, let me know what you think, whether you like it or hate it. I absolutely love it because I think it just looks so smooth on the front. Also, have a look at our playlist. I'll stick a card up in the right hand corner now, and that's got 20 plus videos of TT mods, how-tos, DIYs, fixes and all sorts of other good TT stuff. Plenty more coming, so keep an eye out. I'll try and do one weekly on a Sunday, but obviously not being able to leave the house isn't a great one at the moment, but I'll do what I can. Hope you've enjoyed watching, guys. That's another video from the Parrot Bros.